beautiful people, it's your girl Just Got Talent. How you all doing? Hope you're doing great. Guys, today I want to prepare fried beef with carrots. Guys, if you try this recipe, you will love it. You know, we all like beef, but we have different method to make beef. Okay, to make it more interesting, you have to make a different method to prepare your beef. So I have sliced carrots, onion, garlic, sliced garlic, and I have Maggi aroma, olive oil. I have paprika powder. I have dry pepper, and I have black pepper. Okay, so let's get started. First I turn off the stove. Turn on the stove. Very easy recipe. Turn on the stove. We put the oil. Wait a bit for the oil to get hot. Stay tuned. So the oil is hot now. First we put the garlic and the onion, garlic, and the carrot. We allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Yeah. It's already smelling good because of the garlic. Wow. This recipe is very delicious. You have to try it and then you will thank me later. Look at it. Look at the color. Wow. Carrots and onion and garlic. Look at the color. Wow. This is so nice. Allow it to cook for 3 minutes. 3 minutes. So then we can start putting the ingredients. First we put the black pepper. Then the dry pepper, a little bit. Then we'll put a paprika powder. Oh, it's too much. We'll put the paprika powder and the pepper. Then we have the mix. Mix it together. At the same time, we can put the Maggi aroma. This meat is to eat fruit. You can also eat it like that, but it's very nice to use for fruit. Smells good. Really good. Wow. Really good. Wow. Looks so delicious. Wow, wow, wow. Look at the way it looks. Wow. It looks so delicious. Very easy recipe. Very easy. Wow. Wow. So delicious. It's ready, guys. Look at it. Wow. This is a mouth-watering beef carrot with carrots. Yeah. So guys, stay tuned while I dish it out. That is it, guys. This is the outcome of my beef carrots with frites. Look at it. Looks so delicious. Wow. Look at it. Try it. You will like it. Beef with carrots. Okay? If it don't make sense to you, give me that thumbs up and leave your comment. If you're passing by, you like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of my interesting video. Okay? Bye. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.